welcome to this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today we're going to walk through how to set up your out-of-office emails. Picture this. You're about ready to leave for your dream vacation that you booked well over a year ago. You're excited, your suitcase is packed, and all your work is taken care of. You've got one foot out the door when you finally remember, I completely forgot to set up my out-of-office emails. You don't want to be worrying about work emails piling up while you're parasailing in the Mediterranean or ziplining through Costa Rica. You can set your out of office quickly, and you may do so way ahead of time or just before you leave. Let's go to our Outlook. In the top ribbon, click File. Next, click Automatic Replies. You want automatic replies to be sent to people who are emailing you, so click the radio button, Send Automatic Replies. You can opt not to check this box, only send during this time range. I would suggest checking this box. It's just one less thing you have to worry about upon your return from your vacation. Next, let's set our start time and our end time. After you check the box and you've chosen your date range, let's type a professional email to those people outside of our organization, such as clients and vendors. You may also want to consider sending emails to your coworkers. While your outside my organization should be much more professional, you might want to be a little bit more humorous with those people inside of your office. I'm just going to copy and paste what I've already placed for outside of my organization. I have my date range and the body of my email. Next, I may want to consider using rules. Click Rules, click Add Rule. Let's say I get an email from Jennifer every day that needs my attention. Well, while I'm away, I will want someone else to look at those emails. So I'll either type in Jennifer's email here or click the From button and choose her name from my internal directory. Next, in the Perform These Actions, I'll click on the box Forward, and I'm going to forward it to my boss. Once you're done with your edit rule, click OK. You see the rules here, click OK again. You've double checked that your dates are accurate and you've left the email. Click OK, and there you have it. You know how to set your out of office, and you can thoroughly enjoy your vacation. Thank you for listening. I look forward to speaking with all of you again next week.